Are you tired of carrying high credit card debt? Do you feel like no matter how much you pay, the balance never goes down? Today, I'll share 5 powerful ways Americans can pay off credit card debt faster, starting today. First, stop adding new debt. Avoid using your credit cards for non-essential spending. Focus on living within your means. Use cash or debit until your debt is under control. Second, pay more than the minimum. The minimum payment only covers a small fraction of your balance. Most of it goes to interest. Paying even a little extra each month can save hundreds or thousands of dollars and reduce your debt faster. Third, use the Debt Snowball or Avalanche method. The Debt Snowball focuses on paying off the smallest balance first. It gives you quick wins and motivation. The Debt Avalanche targets the highest interest card first. It saves money on interest over time. Choose the method that fits your style and stick with it. Fourth, consider balance transfers. Some credit cards offer 0% interest on balance transfers for 12 to 18 months. Moving your high-interest debt to a 0% card can help you pay down the principal faster. Be careful of transfer fees and make sure to pay it off before the promo ends. Fifth, increase your income or cut expenses. Look for side hustles, part-time work, or sell unused items. Review your monthly spending and cut non-essential costs. Even small extra payments every month can dramatically reduce your debt over time. Paying off credit card debt may seem impossible, but with focus, strategy, and discipline, it is achievable. Stop adding debt. Pay more than the minimum. Use Snowball or Avalanche. Consider balance transfers. Increase income. Cut expenses. Start today, and soon you'll see your balances drop. Your financial freedom is closer than you think.